Hey there. In this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to create a program in Java to check whether the given number is a prime or not. So, what a prime number is that a number which is divisible by either one or itself. So, the program is quite simple. So, let's just implement this. So, first of all, create a simple Java class and give it a name, any name what you want. I'm giving it prime or not, and select this public static void main because this is gonna create the main method for us. Just remove it, Control D. Now we are going to take a number from the user and we are going to check that whether the number is prime or not. So let's declare a variable int n, and for taking user input, use scanner class. So import the package for this. So import java.util.scanner because the scanner class is in util package. So scanner sc equals to new control space for hint, and pass the parameter here system dot in. That's all. Give it a semicolon. Now n equals to sc dot next int. So now we are done with the input. Now we know that the prime number start from 2, that is that 2 is the smallest prime number. So if user give any input that is supposed to be 0 or 1, so what we are going to do, we are going to check if n equals to 0, either 0 or n equals to 1. So what we are going to do, we are going to display the output that n is not prime number. So just type sys out and hit control space. So just print n is not prime. That's it. Now one more thing, let's declare a boolean variable. Let's suppose flag, okay, equals to false. Now in else condition, what we are going to do, we are going to create a for loop. So for int I equals to 2 and I less than equals to half of the number, given number, equal to, and just sorry, I, oh sorry, plus plus I, we are going to use pre-increment here. I'm going to tell it later why we are using this. So now if n mod by I equals to 0, that means that if the given number is divided by any number while iterating through this loop, it gives the remainder 0, that means that the number is not prime because the number is divided by any other number, because what a prime number is, the number that is divisible by 1 or itself. So here we are not dividing by 1 and neither by itself because the I value is already half of the n. So what we are going to do inside this if statement, we are going to assign the flag value true and we are going to break the loop. Why we are doing this? Because the number is not prime, so there is no need to iterate through this loop again because we already get that the number is not prime. So just break the loop here, and for the output, if flag is not equals to true, that means the number is if the flag is not equals to true, that means that the n is not divisible by any value of I. So what we are going to do, we are going to throw the output. Oh, sorry. So what we are going to throw, we are going to throw that n is prime, and if it is not equals to uh, false, means that the value of flag is true, then we are going to throw that n is not prime. So if n equals to 0 or 1, then we are going to throw that n is not prime, and if the flag value is not equals to true, that means that there is no number which n is divided by. So the means that n is also prime, and if it is not false, then that simply that number is not prime. So let's run this. Check for 1. Yeah, 1 is not prime. So run again, and let's suppose 24. 24 is not prime. Let's run again. Suppose take 11. Yeah, 11 is prime. So one more time, let's suppose triple one. Is it prime or not? Triple one is not prime because and suppose let's take 7. Yeah, 7 is prime because 7 is not divided by any other number except 1 and 7. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.